Hello, welcome back to online culinary operation training class by Cruiseworld International Hospitality Institute. Baby, Chef Sri. Now today we will talk about basic knife skill. Okay, yesterday we talked already about USPH. Okay, and now we have agenda for knife skill about anatomy knife, the right knife for the job, the right job, knife safety, basic cutting skill, and classic cut. Basic knife skill. Okay, you need to know about anatomy of knife. Okay, this for pointing, tips, spin, handle, butt, cutting edge, heel, and bolster, tang, knife type. Knife type we have bread knife. Bread knife is threaded edge is difficult to sharpen, stay sharp for a long time, good for bread and delicate products. Fillet knife. Fillet knife is thin, flexible blade, great for fish. Chef knife, good for quick shortcut. All-purpose heavy blade for general use. Used for meat, cheese, or produce. Carving and boarding knife. Yeah. For cutting and boarding meat, some have gratin. This gratin. The pressure is added to keep food from sticking. Boning knife are normally thinner with the pointer. Cleaver, heavy blade for cut bone, lighter blade for products. General purpose in some Asian kitchen. Okay. Utility knife, same sharp as chef knife but little bit more smaller. Used for trimming meat, cheese, and products. Paring knife small than of the group. Used for light, dirty, cheese, and products. General safety knife safety. Always take your knife seriously. Use the right knife. Follow the safety rule. Don't place knife out of sight. Your knife should either by in your hand or on the table. This how to grip your knife. They have 4 types. The first, grip the handle with all 4 fingers. Okay, and hold the thumb gently but firmly against by blade spin. The second one, the grip the handle with all 4 fingers and hold the thumb gently but firm against the blade, the side of the blade. The third, the grip the handle with the 3 fingers. Rest in the finger flat against the blade on one side and hold the thumb on the by opposite side to give additional stability and control. The fourth, the grip the handle overhand with the knife held vertically. This grip is used with a boning knife for meat fabricate tags. Keep your knife sharp. A dull knife is more dangerous than sharp one. Be careful when you're working with a knife. You must be pointing in the bring it down. Classic knife. Classic knife cut. Find brown eyes fine julienne, buttonnet, passion, small dice, medium dice, large dice, rondelle, tour, fermier. Fine julienne or another word is alumite, buttonnet, brownish, small dice, medium dice, large dice, passion, fermier, rondelle. Oblique as is a river to vegetable cut, reflects the fact that the cut sides are neither parallel nor perpendicular. That the effect is achieved by rolling the vegetable after each cut. Turning. Merpois. If you learn about classical, you must learn about merpois also, because merpois is very important for making sauce, soup, stock. Standard merpois is 50% onion, 20% celery, 25% celery, 25% carrot. This standard merpois. Merpois also they have white merpois or merpois. White merpois is 50% onion, 25% celery, 25% white vegetable. Fat merpois or merpois. Fat merpois is 45% onion, 20% celery, 20% carrot, 15% ham or bacon. Cutting merpois or merpois. Merpois is cut medium to large dice. The longer it takes to cook than stock, the large merpois need to be. For this example, we use medium dice placed on the plate for this sample, yeah. Matignon is an edible merpois. It is added to the dish both as flavoring agent and a garnish. Not strained out of the dish at the end. To be neat, cut in small dice. Part of the presentation, cooked in butter and finished with white wine. Matignon is presentation 25% carrot, 25% celery, onion, 25% celery, 10% leek, and 15% ham. Review. Sometimes we have looked at today. Anatomy knife. Okay. Right knife for right job. Safety knife, basic cutting skill and classical. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.